When it comes to taking care of your own lawn, investing in the right tools can easily make or break your experience. With so many things to consider, including the cost, efficiency, durability, storage space, and more, it can quickly become overwhelming, which is where RYOBI's Expand-IT Attachment System comes in. This innovative system requires just one power head to unlock an entire lineup of interchangeable attachments to take on any task. I'm Shannon, and in today's video, we're going to take a closer look at each solution in the Expand-IT Attachment System, so you know exactly what you need to save money, save time, and save space. Welcome to RYOBI Tools 101. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to hear about new product announcements, DIY projects, how-to videos, and so much more. So right off the bat, let's answer a few frequently asked questions, starting with, what is the Expand-IT Attachment System? Put simply, this system is made up of power heads and interchangeable attachments. The power head operates a wide variety of lawn and garden attachments, such as blowers, hedge trimmers, sweepers, pole saws, and more, that you can easily swap out depending on the task at hand. The next question we get is it compatible with any string trimmer? RYOBI offers an attachment-capable string trimmer, an 18-volt, 40-volt, and gas options, as well as a separate 40-volt power head. These are ideal when paired with RYOBI solutions. However, as an added benefit, the Expand-IT system is compatible with other attachment-capable systems as well. And lastly, what are the advantages of the RYOBI Expand-IT system? And I'll answer that question with a question. When it comes to lawn maintenance, what are 3 things everyone loves to save? Money, time, and space. And that's exactly what this system provides. Jumping into the attachments, first up we have the edger. This tool is perfect for that meticulous landscaper that really appreciates that crisp manicured line on the edge of hardscape, like your driveways or pavers. It digs down deeper and more aggressive than a string trimmer, cutting those grass roots and keeping those runners from extending through the cracks. A must-have for landscaping. Next up we have the power sweeper. These 15-inch heavy-duty nylon bristles will get down into all the crevices, where in the fall and spring, the accumulation of debris can be too hard to get with the blower or traditional broom. That's where the power sweeper will come in handy every time. Speaking of blowers, the Expand-IT system includes this jet fan blower, delivering up to 475 CFM and 140 miles per hour of blowing force that's powerful enough to clear your decks, driveways, and sidewalks. Next is the hedge trimmer, with up to a 3/4 inch cut capacity, perfect for those unkept hedges and shrubs. The dual action blade provides a crisp, clean cut, all while reducing vibration, giving you that professional looking landscape all the neighbors will be asking about. Now this brush cutter attachment is a game changer because it does pretty much what no other tool will do. It easily powers through thick weeds and heavy brush, and because of that nice metal blade, it won't flex, and it gets the job done quickly. Now, when it's time to trim those hard-to-reach limbs, look no further than the 10-inch pole saw attachment. This unit combines the length and power needed to get through those overhanging branches and limbs with ease, leaving you a clean landscape you can be proud of. Next, we have the snow thrower for those northern climates that see snow. This will power through up to 6 inches of snow, easily clearing driveways, sidewalks, back porches, and more. And again, I want to reiterate, all these attachments work on the same power head, so you never have to have duplicate tools to get the job done. And we can't forget about the one chore everyone hates doing. That's right, clearing your gutters has always been a hassle. That is until now with this incredible gutter blower attachment. With airspeed up to 185 CFM and 145 miles per hour, you'll be able to easily clear packed debris with just the pull of a trigger. In addition to its power, it also has an incredible reach, extending up to 9.5 feet for those hard-to-reach gutters. Now, when you're dealing with either finished hard surfaces or grass, removing dirt, mulch, and other heavy-duty debris can be a huge pain, unless, of course, you have the rubber broom attachment. With a 15.5-inch clearing width, you can easily get the job done in no time. Next up is the 8-inch cultivator, and this attachment is the perfect tool for preparing soil and tackling those garden rows and flower beds. The 4 heavy-duty steel tines and 7 to 10-inch adjustable tilling width gives you the ultimate versatility and control. And there you have it. With only a single power head, the possibilities are nearly endless. Save money, save time, and save space with the Expand-IT system from RYOBI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with all our new content, like the Tools 101 series, Beginner's Guide, our How to DIY series, and so much more.